Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using the TV's built-in controls because they are immediate and reliable. Press and hold the volume rocker or repeated press the volume up and down to change levels. This acts faster than cycling menus. If nothing happens, cycle power by unplugging 10 seconds, then plug back in, because residual charge can lock button logic. Once the panel responds, use short presses to fine-tune volume and long press to jump levels. That explains how physical switches override many software issues. You can control volume with your phone either through IR or via network apps. Here's how and why each works. If your phone has an IR blaster, aim at the TV and send volume commands. This mirrors your missing remote. If the TV is a smart Insignia Fire TV, connect phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi and pair through the official app, because Wi-Fi control exposes volume APIs. Once paired, use the app's remote and tweak repeat rate to match TV responsiveness. That reduces missed presses. You finish by switching volume control away from the TV if needed. External speakers or a soundbar give independent, immediate control, and you adjust volume on that device because it sidesteps TV button faults. Alternatively, enable HDMI CEC so your cable box or game console remote can control volume. This works because CEC passes commands over HDMI. If none of these work, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings. And if problems persist, the single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.